you all for watching. All my subscribers, I say may God bless you all. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to prepare delicious Christmas Egusi soup. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for the preparation of the Egusi soup. Salt, grounded egusi, assorted white meat with cow leg, red oil, dry mangana fish and 2 cubes of maggi, stockfish, onions, crayfish, pepper, smoked fish, bitter leaf. Let's get started. Now it's time for steaming of meat. You pour your meat inside the cooking pot. Put the pepper, maggi and salt. Cover the pot for 2 minutes. Then you pour your onion. Allow it to burn, then you add your stockfish. It is time for me to mix the egusi. Turn it as if you are turning garri so that everything will be together. If you want to get the real texture of the egusi you want to cook, you have to turn the egusi very well. Put onions when turning and put a little salt inside the egusi. Turn everything together until it becomes like a garri or eba. You open your pot and turn the meat together so that the ingredients will enter inside the meat. As you can see, when I started cooking the meat, I did not add water. I used the water that is from the meat so that it will enable the ingredients to be inside the meat. Then you pour your crayfish. After pouring your crayfish, add water. After adding water inside the pot, you pour your red oil. You put water according to the quantity of the egusi you want to cook. Then you put the egusi. As you can see the texture of the egusi. You put it inside the soup pot. After putting your egusi inside your soup pot, you add your smoked fish. Then you close the pot for everything to boil very well. You need to make sure that the egusi is well done in order not to cause problem in your stomach. Then you open your pot and turn the soup. As you can see, the texture of the egusi inside the soup pot looks so appetizing. Tell me, is this soup not really a Christmas egusi soup? Of course. It looks really like Christmas egusi soup. Then you add your bitter leaf, turn everything together, close the pot of your soup. Then, after you check if the egusi has done, as you can see, the soup is ready now. The egusi is well cooked. It's time to dish for hobby. Wow, this is the outcome of the egusi soup. Very delicious.